In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your pricing on Booking.com. By the end, you'll confidently adjust your nightly rates from the Booking.com extranet. Make sure your updates stick and understand a few best practices so you don't miss anything important. Start by opening your browser and heading to Booking.com. From there, access the extranet and log into your partner account. Once you're in, you'll land on the extranet dashboard. If your account manages more than one property, make sure you're viewing the correct property before going any further. There's usually a selector or drop-down near the top that lets you switch. Next, navigate to the area where pricing lives. At the top menu, choose Rates and Availability and then click Calendar. This is the central place where you'll see your dates, room types, and the current prices laid out day by day. It may look slightly different depending on your setup, but you should see cells showing the nightly rate for each date. Now choose the room or unit you want to edit. If you have multiple room types, take a moment to confirm you're on the right one. Also check the date range along the top of the calendar. You can move forward or back using the arrows to find the exact dates you want to change. To adjust the price, click directly on the date or the price box in the calendar view. A small input field will appear. Enter your new price per night exactly as you want it to appear. Keep an eye on the currency shown on the page to avoid mistakes. And remember that the price you enter is typically the pre-tax base rate unless your property is configured differently. If you use derived rate plans, some prices might be calculated automatically. In that case, make sure you're editing the base rate that your other plans depend on. When you're happy with the change, save it. Look for a Save or Update button near the bottom or top of the page. Don't navigate away until you see a confirmation or the field stops indicating an unsaved change. If you adjusted multiple dates, ensure all of them are saved. Finally, verify your update. Refresh the calendar and check that the new amount appears for the correct room and dates. Prices should update in the extranet right away, and they typically reflect on the guest-facing page shortly after. If something doesn't look right, recheck the selected room, date range, and rate plan. That's it. You've changed your pricing on Booking.com quickly and accurately using the extranet calendar.